Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Make It Happen Again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have right here, we have some potatoes. I'm just keeping it plain and simple. One of my good buddies asked me, Chef Hey Dice, do you cook regular food? I'm like, what you mean by that, man? Regular food. He like, do you make sandwiches and stuff like that? I'm like, yes, I make sandwiches. So I'm just gonna make some potatoes. That's what I have a taste for. We're gonna make it happen right here in the kitchen. I'm gonna grab some gloves real quick. Well, so cut these bad boys in nice size. Boom. There we go right there. I see got a little dark spots on them. And I just open these up. I just open them up. Look at it. You don't want that. You don't want to use that. All this right here is bad. And it was just a whole new thing. Just got this from the grocery store. Now this little part right here, you cut that off. You know what I mean? Cut them to cool little slices. You know what I mean? You just want to cut them nice size. Put them in your water. Yeah. Now let's see if this will do the same thing. Hopefully these is good. Okay, there we go. I don't know what's wrong with these potatoes. But see, that's why it's good to grow your own potatoes. For real. Alright. There we go right there. So I'm going to cut the rest of these potatoes and we'll start cooking. Alright, so I got my potatoes chopped up. Nice little sauce. You know what I mean? And I love my skin. So I keep my skin on the potatoes. So we'll go ahead and pat these bad boys dry. Line them up. Alright, so here we go right here. And we'll grab another napkin and place it on there. Just like so. And get a nice pat. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add our yellow mustard to our fries. Okay. Then we're going to season it with some of this Cajun seasoning. And no, you're not going to taste no mustard. You're not going to taste no mustard at all. Okay. Now we're going to add our vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil. That's all we need right there. Cut it on. We're going to let that oil heat up. Okay, so now what we have right here, we have all-purpose flour. We're not measuring it. We just adding it to the bag. Enough to coat the fries. Cornstarch. Just enough to coat the fries. Mix it all in there. A little more cornstarch. Oh, that's a little too much. All right. Now we're going to season it up. We'll use the same seasoning. There we go right there. Okay, we can use a little more seasoning. There we go right there. All right. Mix everything in. Just grab your fries and add it. It's like chicken. Okay, so this is how I check and see if my grease is ready or not. I add a little bit of flour. You see it disappear? It's ready. But it didn't. It's still floating on top. So we'll give it a little while longer. Okay, so here we go right here. I had to switch over to the stove. There's this little thing, I just bought it. And it's tweaking already. So we're on the stove now. Alright, so this is how I check my oil. Boom. Now we're ready. You see how it just fried and disappear and then float and then go to the bottom. Now you know your dish is ready. Boom. I just want these bad boys to fry. So get one more in there. There we go. So what I'm using now, I'm using my gooseneck. Once this video just about over it, I'm gonna show all my good family and friends what I use if I'm filming by myself. And I could just scroll to my cabinet, a chair, just about anything. So when this video is just about over, I'll show y'all what I'm using. It's called a gooseneck. You get it from Amazon. And when I say it's coming handy, man, yes. I've had it for about 3 years now. Okay, see how we looking now? That's what I'm talking about. See how they floating to the top? Look at them fries. Like them bad boys looking like chicken. They give them about another minute, and then we're gonna fish them out. Take your fries to the next level. Okay, so here we go right here. Dinner's ready. You know I have to add me a couple pieces of chicken in there. You know I had to. But we took them fries to the next level. You hear me? So we had the next level Cajun fries. Yep, look at it. Nice and crispy. I should have had me a fork or a knife so we could tap it. But you know what I'm gonna do? They go ahead and hit it. So what I have right here, I have me some Chick-fil-A sauce right here. Chick-fil-A sauce right there. I have me some sriracha sauce and ranch dressing. So let's go ahead and look at it. You know what I mean? Go ahead and tap it one time. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is fire. This is fire right here. This is fire. Well, now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget to hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit, guys. Okay, so here we go right here. This the gooseneck that I was telling y'all about. So when the wife not home, this is what I use when I'm filming by myself. You can hook this to anything, anything. A chair, a workout bar, the cabinets, whatever you want to hook it to. You know what I mean? For all my newcomer YouTubers, don't sleep on it. Amazon only costs a couple dollars. And I had this for 3 years.